Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Stock Dr. RR. Today we are going to discuss about three major indexes of US stock market: Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500. With this we are going to discuss about two major commodities, gold and silver. We are going to do in-depth analysis of all these instruments. So you need to watch this video very carefully from the beginning to the end. And in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon. You will get the notification of all future videos which I make on this channel. This is our channel. Okay, so let's go ahead and see the economic calendar first. On the economic calendar, I can see here there is one important data which is coming on this Friday, and that data is you can see unemployment rate, non-farm payroll, that is coming on this Friday, August 4th. But I think the most important data is coming on August 10th, Thursday, and that is a inflation rate. Okay, that is coming on August 10th, Thursday, and that will decide one more trend in the market. So let's go ahead and quickly do the analysis of the all indexes. Last week we were bearish on the market. Okay, market has formed kind of patterns which uh, we thought that market might go down, but market took a support at the supports which we discussed onto the chart, and then it managed to close on those support levels. So let's go ahead and see what the monthly chart is saying. That market is going up from last almost 5 months. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5. If we see the weekly chart, last week closing was good. Now why we were bearish onto the market the week before last week? Because it has created the inverter inverted hammer pattern. If you see on the weekly chart, still uh market might show some weakness, because for this inverted hammer pattern, the top is at 16,080. So that top is not broke. So if somebody is shorting at the market or already at short, he needs to wait uh, till it doesn't cross above 16,100. That doesn't mean that we should create a new shorts, because this week closing was quite good, like 2% upside. Okay, so let's go ahead and see the day chart. Now on the day chart also you can see it has formed a evening star pattern, right? Evening star pattern. This is the first day, this is the second day, and this is the third day. So this is a evening star pattern, and but now the important thing to learn, that on Wednesday we had the important data of the FOMC meet, right? And before that you can see there was a evening star pattern, but after the data, market spiked. But still, if you see, 16,100 is not crossed. Okay, so whoever is the short, definitely he needs to take the risk of 16,100 to be crossed. But the recent last week development, after seeing the last week development into the market, I can see that market can go upside also, but we need to see the levels, because levels are supreme for us. So let's see the levels. This is the day chart. Okay, right now I can see 15,700 and 15,500 is an important support area. This has created an important support area now. Okay, the first target, now it has a 16,000. So to me, I need to watch the level of 16,000, 16,050. Okay, if it starts managing about this area, then definitely 16,250 and 16,500 is quite possible. You can see that in few sessions. Okay, 16,500, 16,250 and 16,500. Okay, so what is the other thing, like for the downside? For the downside, if on Monday market opens at 16,000 and stays there, okay, for a few days, or few sessions or few hours, and then again starts going down. Then 15,700 is the first support, 15,500 is the second support. If it breaks that, then 15,250 is the first downside level, 14,850 second, and 14,400 is the third. So if somebody is conservative trader that he don't want to take a risk like me, if I want to take a risk or I want to take a trade, definitely I will take the first trade below 15,500 if it goes down below 15,500, or on the upside that is above 16,000, 16,100. Right? So for me, this is the channel. The channel is almost of 500 points, right? In these 500 points, I am not going to do anything. I will do rather upside here or below this side. I hope you got the clear idea of this one. Now let's go ahead and do the analysis of Dow Jones. So for the Dow Jones, we will directly move on to the day chart now, because I want to show you guys. Okay, let's quickly see the monthly also. Monthly is showing that it is quite near the all-time high. Weekly says that weekly closing is quite impressive, because you can see it has closed above all these closings, right? The last to last week, it closed above all closing, right? And then our last week closing is above this point. Okay, so Dow Jones has a very good upside momentum coming. We will see the day chart here, and on the day chart, let's see the levels. The levels says us for the Dow Jones, no trading zone is between 35,500 to 34,900. This 600 point is a no trading zone for Dow Jones. If it comes inside this, then it can stay anywhere in between this. But if it stays above 35,500, which is currently now, then 35,750, 36,150, and 36,550 are the upside targets. Downside target, I will talk only if it starts trading above 34,900 and 34,000. So these are the levels for the Dow Jones. Let's see what is S&P 500 saying. For the S&P 500, let's see the monthly chart here. Monthly chart says I am quite bullish. Weekly chart says I closed nicely above the 4600 level. Day chart says that I closed nicely on this Friday. All-time high is at 4800. If Nasdaq and Dow Jones goes up, definitely S&P 500 will have the ultimate goal of 4800. Okay, and before go to 4800, these are the levels. Okay, you can see here right now it is trading at 4600. First target is 4625, 4650, 4700, 4750, 4800. Okay, slowly and steadily it can go towards that level. Downside, I will talk only if it starts trading below 4550. If it starts below 4550, 4500, 4430, 4400. These are the three downside level which I can see. We'll talk about commodities. For the gold, you guys know I am bullish on gold. Only the criteria is it needs to sustain above $2,000. Right now on the monthly it is showing it is just near 2000. On the weekly it is showing some bullish candle. On the day time frame, you can see the Friday there was a contract switch was happened. That's why before that on Thursday it went down, and then it got adjusted on the Friday. And if we unhide the drawing, we clearly knows that it has an important support area at 190.0 to 1920. Okay, and resistance at this 2000 junction. If it cross that, then 2050 2100 is the first target. I'm looking for the long-term target of 2600 on the gold. Only the criteria is that it needs to stay above $2000. We will talk about downside if it starts trading below 1900 for these three targets. Target 1 1875, 1835, and 1800. The last commodity is silver, and for silver we will see the chart here. Monthly chart says for the silver it is a positive candle. For the weekly it is kind of correction after a big upside, and for the daily it says that uh, it went up from here, right? And then bit correction, and now it can go like this I can think. If we see the day chart here, on the day chart you can see, and hide the drawing. On the day chart currently it is just near the support area of 24.50 to 23.50. Okay, the first target, if it stays above 24.50, then 25.50 and 26.50 are the two upside targets. If it stays below 23.50, okay, below this lower of the area, then 22.50, 21.75, and the third target is 20.85. So for silver also I am bullish. In the long term it should stay near 30 to 32 zone. 32 zone. So this was all about today, my friends. In case you like this video, try and make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of all future videos which I make on this channel. With this, let me know if you guys want me to analyze something else, like any stocks. I'm going to share the stock analysis for some of the important stock of Nasdaq 100. And last but not least, let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends. You have a good one. Bye.